Welcome to Tuesday training. Today we're going to show you how to make different locations in StoneSpot, and if you're connected to QuickBooks, how to connect those to QuickBooks. So making a new location is super easy. You just come into the admin section and look for My Locations. Here you're able to add a location. You can add different, obviously, address and contact information. You can also add a logo that would be specific to this location. And that logo will pull through onto contracts and invoices. Everything that you're going to send to the client, including emails, will include all of this contact information and logo. And if you're connected to QuickBooks, you're going to see the ability to connect this to a QuickBooks location. So let's pop into QuickBooks. If you go to the gear icon and look under All Lists, this is a place where you can see your locations. If this doesn't show up, you might not have location tracking turned on in your QuickBooks account. So you can add that also in your settings by going to the gear icon. Once you click on locations, you're able to add a new location, and you can give the location a name. And then all this information is available for you to add if applicable for your location. After you save that location, you can come back into StoneSpot and find the location from your drop-down menu here. When you create an invoice and that invoice goes up into QuickBooks, it will have the QuickBooks location assigned to that invoice automatically for you. And that's locations.